Engineer itself. Don't go for touching the mobile oftenly. Sit quiet. Okay. Dear students, you all know that in the last class we were discussing the chapter polynomials. So now let me go for writing the name of the chapter. It is polynomials. Polynomials. And today's date is 3/7/2021. Hope that you have written in your notebook. Prashant sir, you may
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in external worksheet explain fourth one, sir.
Sir.
now listen. Lavanya, could you tell what is the necessary condition for a polynomial? What is the necessary condition to be followed to say it is a polynomial? Lavanya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Then tell that necessary condition to be followed to say any algebraic expression as polynomial.
It should be in standard form.
The important condition to be followed. Yes, Rachit.
Sir, it must the variable's power must be a non-negative number.
Very good, very good. The power of the variables should be non-negative integer. This power should be whole number. That is the main condition. Next, Dhanush, what do you call the highest power of the variable involved in the polynomial? What do you call the highest power of the variable?
Degree.
Huh?
Degree of a polynomial.
Very good. It is
Degrees of
degree of the polynomial. Amol, you know that polynomials can be classified into different types based on their degree. If so, what do you call a polynomial of degree 1? Amol K.
Linear.
Very good. It is a linear polynomial. Amrita NS. A polynomial of degree 2.
Quadratic.
It is quadratic. What do you call a polynomial of degree 3? Amrita NS.
Trinomial.
Cubic.
cubic.
Polynomial. Wait, Amrita, you only tell. What do you call a polynomial of degree 4?
Quadratic.
Biquadratic.
Biquadratic polynomial. It is also called quadric polynomial. If it is 5, quintic, right? If it is 6, hexic polynomial.
If more than is
Similarly,
multiple.
even we have classified the polynomial based on the number of terms. Prerna, what do you call a polynomial having one term only? Polynomial having one term.
Monomial.
Monomial. 2 terms. Binomial.
Binomial.
4 terms. Tetranomial.
Polynomial. More than 3 it is
Pentanomial.
multinomial.
More than, in general, more than 3, we say that multinomial. Follow? Then after that, we come across the value of the polynomial. Yes, students, what do you say about the value of the variable which makes the value of the polynomial as 0?
Zero of a polynomial.
Zero of a polynomial.
Polynomial.
Zero of
0
the
of the polynomial. Whether any constant polynomial has 0? What do you say?
Yes.
Zero polynomial.
Wait. How many zeros does a linear polynomial have?
One.
Quadratic?
Two.
2 0. Cubic?
3
Zeros.
3 0. If it is a constant polynomial, how many zeros does it have?
Zero.
Zero.
That's no zero.
Cannot be defined.
If I, very good. The zero of constant polynomial is not defined. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ zeros find out ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Got it? Yes. Then after that, we come across dividing a polynomial by another polynomial. We also know that the terms involved while dividing a polynomial by another polynomial are, one is p of x,
Of x,
which is called
g of
dividend,
x,
G of x.
g of x, which is called
Divisor.
Two
divisor.
of x.
divide
Q of
Well paid. Then
r of x,
q of x, which is
Quotient.
R of x.
R of x.
R of
r
x.
of x, which is
remainder,
a
Remainder.
remainder, not
Remainder.
reminder. It is not a clock to remind you. It is a remainder, the left number or left statement, left polynomial, the remained polynomial. It is remainder. Dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder.
remainder.
Kushal, could you tell what is the relationship among these four terms? Only Kushal will tell. Can I expect from Yagna? Yagna, what is the relationship among these? No, I think you have not practiced. Ananya, yes, sir? Ananya, could you tell what is the relationship among these four terms? Yes. Daksh, could you tell the relationship among these four terms?
Division of pi.
Sir, I'll say, sir.
I think Arushi or Shreya.
Sir, Arushi, sir.
Arushi, you tell.
Sir, px equals gx plus qx plus rx.
Small correction.
Two multiplication.
Multiplication.
2x.
Gx
To
to qx plus rx.
gx into qx
P of x
rx.
To qx.
qx plus
P of
rx
x.
is equal.
Wait, I am telling. G of x into Q of x plus R of x.
R
This
of
is the
x.
statement. Yesterday only I
Is
told you
not
to
equal
remember
to
this
zero.
one.
Yes, sir.
Here, this is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. And we also know the condition for dividing a polynomial by another polynomial. Yeah, here we know
It
that
must be in a
the
standard
degree
form.
of, wait, the degree of P of x and G of x should be greater than or equal to 1. This is first condition. Second condition, what should be G of x?
Equal to
Not
zero.
equal to zero.
Is not equal
Not
to
be
0.
equal to 0. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ G of x 0 ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ it is not defined. Next, what should be the degree of R of x and G of x?
Lesser than g of x.
Yes.
It should be lesser than
G of x. These are the three important, null page. These are the three important conditions that we follow while dividing a polynomial by another polynomial.
Sir,
Even
r of x
we
can
had
be
given
0.
the statement as well. I am going to make you to recall that statement. Just listen to me and try to recall in your mind. It is, if P of x and G of x are any two polynomials of degree greater than or equal to 1, and G of x is not equal to 0, then two unique polynomials are existed. That is Q of x and R of x, satisfying P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x, where R of x may be equal to 0, that is remainder may be equal to 0, or R of x, degree of R of x is less than degree of G of x. This is the statement of division of polynomials. ಈ statement ನ exam ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. You have to practice that. And with respect to division of polynomials, yesterday we were solving the problems. I think 4 were over, right?
Sir, we should do fourth
Fourth
one.
one. Sir, in yesterday worksheet explain fourth one, sir.
Fourth one you should do, sir.
Hope that you all have done it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have done, you have to cross check because now I'm going to solve that. The last statement, I think it was, I think x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. No?
No, sir,
No,
minus
sir.
No, sir, that was
Minus
minus
x
x
square
square
plus
plus 2x cube minus x
Minus
square.
2.
Wait,
X
wait,
square
wait,
plus
7 by G.
Wait. Here. Arushi. Arushi,
Yes, sir.
please tell that statement.
Sir, if px equal to minus x square plus 2x cube minus x square plus 2x cube minus 2x minus 7.
Wait. I think it is minus x square plus 2x cube minus 2x.
Yes, sir.
2x
Minus 7.
Yes.
by minus 2 plus x.
Plus X.
Right. This is P of x and this is G of x. You are going to divide P of x by G of x. Vishal, let your concentration be here. Let's go for dividing this. Please go for cross-checking your steps, what you have followed. Yeah, we all know that minus 2 plus x is a divisor and it should be written in standard form as x
Minus
plus 2. Don't tell in between, just observe. And the dividend should also be written in standard form as it is 2x cube next minus x square minus 2x minus 1. Have you written the same?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
While
sir.
dividing a polynomial by another polynomial, both dividend and divisor should be written in standard form. Please do remember that. Never forget it. Here. Now, let us go for equalizing the first term.
2x square.
X is there.
2x
What will be multiplied with x to
2x
get
square.
2x
x square?
2x
I told you that if you do not know how to take it directly, you will go for using working column. The working column, we write first term 2x cube and the first term of the divisor, it is x. X cube can be written as x into x into x. Here x and x get cancelled. It is 2x square. That should be written here. Now, go for multiplying 2x square with both the terms. 2x square into x, it is 2x cube. Next.
4x square.
Minus 4x square.
4 into x square. It will be minus 4x square. Have you got the same step?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Then let me go for changing the sign. This is minus. This is plus. Cancel the first term. And here minus
3x
1x
3x square.
3x is
this side minus 1x square plus 4x square. It will be
3x square.
3x square
3x square.
In question,
minus 2x minus 7 as they are carried down. Next, we have to equalize
3 plus
First
3x.
That's
3x.
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 3x square by x. X and X get cancelled. It will be 3x.
3x.
So let me write 3x here. Now multiply 3x into x. This is 3x square.
Minus 6x. Minus 6x.
Minus 2. This is minus
Minus
6x.
6x.
Let's go for changing the sign. This is minus and here is plus. The first term get cancelled. Now this will be minus
4x.
6x. This will be 4x minus 7. Next, equalize
Plus
4x and
4,
x.
4,
Plus 4.
4.
4x by x is, it is 4.
4.
Let me write that 4 here. Now, multiply 4. 4 into x.
4x.
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 4
Minus
into
8, sir.
Minus 8.
4 to the 8.
minus 8.
4x,
Let us
4x
change
get
the
cancels.
This is minus and is plus.
Plus.
Cancel.
You cancel.
1.
Oh, remainder is
1.
1.
1, sir.
Next one. Here minus 7 plus 8. It is 1. Have you got the same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We have written the conclusion that therefore the quotient is, that is q of x.
Sir, we should verify it, sir.
Yeah, definitely. So I am writing here. Quotient is 2x square plus 3x plus 4 and remainder is, this is 1. And in that question, it was given to verify the statement.
Yeah.
P of x is equal, whether P of x is equal to Q of x, G of x into Q of x plus R of x or not. That should be verified.
Verification.
Have you written up to here?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's go for verification.
P of x is equal
Right.
to P of x.
Wait. Right. Verification. Observe here. Please observe the book. You are going to verify the statement that whether P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus
R of x.
Both should not be taken together. You are going to check it. Hence, I'll go for taking LHS and RHS separately. LHS, P of x is already known, right?
Yes.
I go for taking RHS part. Where RHS is, you can also write with me. It is G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Please write with me. Bora.
Sir.
This is, we know that G of x, it is the divisor.
X minus 2.
Minus 2.
It is x minus 2. Right here. X minus 2 into
Q of x 1.
Q of x. We
1.
have found out that
2x square plus
3x square
x 4.
plus 3x square
2x square plus 3x
3x 4.
Plus 4.
Wait. Please do follow correctly. Plus remainder we know
1.
that
1.
it is 1. I'm writing that 1. Now look here. Don't be hurry. Rohan Aran, let your concentration be here. Observe. Here we have to multiply x with all the 3 terms and minus 2 with again all the 3 terms. Let's go for multiplying. Start writing with me. Here, x into 2x square. It is
2x
2x
cube.
cube. Don't tell in between, just observe and write. Afterwards, I'll give you the chance. X into 2x square is 2x cube. X into 3x is 3x square. Then x into 4 is 4x. If your writing is over up to here, now start multiplying -2 with all the three terms. Well, what are you searching?
So we should put brackets, sir.
-2 into 2x square. This is minus 4x square. Next, -2 into 3x. This is minus 6x. 2 3s are 6 into x. Next, -2 into 4. This will be
-8.
then plus 1. This is equal to. Now, here I'll write 2x cube as it is. Let us go for simplifying by taking the like terms. Here 3x square, 4x square. 3x square minus 4x square is
Minus x square.
Minus x square.
Square.
next. Next 4x and minus 6x.
Minus 2x.
2x.
Minus 2x.
minus 7.
Minus 8 plus 1 is
Minus
7.
compare that with dividend. See that it is same only. 2x
Same,
cube
sir.
minus x square
Yes, sir.
minus 2x minus 7. It is nothing but P of x, right?
LHS.
And this is LHS. So RHS and LHS both are equal. You can write hence it is verified. It is means P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x is verified. Hence it is verified. Is it not simple? Verification. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let me go for taking another one. It is from this chart. Right. Fifth question, please. Fifth question. Write with me. It is divide. Divide. P of y. They are given the polynomial in terms of the variable y. P of y is equal to 3y raised to the power 4 minus 8y raised to the power 3 minus y square minus 5y minus 5. Why? They only are given in standard form.
Sir.
G of x is equal to y minus 3. Y minus 3. Full stop.
Sir,
Continue
in
the
division,
question.
what we should do when two variables are given?
Pardon me?
In division of polynomials, if they have given two polynomials, what we should do, sir?
I'm not understanding. I think you may be asking that in divisor if two variables are there.
Yes, sir.
No. They'll give you one variable only with different powers. Like that it will be given. Not two different variables.
Okay, sir.
Got it? It is. Right. Also, verify P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. This is the statement. It was given in the examination. You can put double star mark. You must start dividing with P.
Y, sir.
Pardon me?
Sir, P of X or P of Y?
P of what? P of, sorry, G of what? G of Y. And this is general statement. P of X, are it all today. And, but while writing, let's go for writing. P of Y equal to G of Y into Q of Y plus R of Y.
Y.
Forward. You illandre confusion agada.
Yes.
Verify your division. Verify your division. Now let us go for dividing. Here divisor and dividend both are in standard form only. Let's go for writing it direct. First one, divisor. It is y minus 3. Write the dividend. Dividend is 3y raised to the power 4 minus 8y cube minus y square minus 5y minus 5. Now, could you tell what should be multiplied with y?
dy power 3.
dy cube.
y cube.
3y cube. Do not know, use working part. 3y raised to the power 4 y. Here it will be y into y into y into y get cancelled. It will be 3y cube. Multiply this. 3y cube into y, it is 3y raised to the power 4. Trupti, can you hear me? Write with me. 3y cube minus 3. 3 3s are 9. It will be minus 9y cube. Change the sign. This is minus and is plus. The first term get cancelled.
Y cube.
Y cube
minus y
plus 9y cube.
Y cube. Y cube.
How much it will be?
Y cube.
Yes.
Y cube.
Y cube.
Y. Now carry down the remaining terms. Minus y square minus 5y minus 5. Next, first term. Y cube by first term.
Y
Y
square.
square plus y
Y
square.
square plus y square.
It is y square. Here I'll write plus y. Sorry, y square. Y square into y. This is y cube. Y square into minus 3.
3y square.
Minus 3y square. Y, that much only. Now change the sign. It is minus and this is plus.
2y square.
Minus
First term get cancelled.
2x square.
2y square.
Minus
2y
minus
square.
y square
2y
plus
square.
3y square.
2y square.
2y square.
Y square.
2. Answer.
Carry down remaining. Minus 5y minus 5.
Minus 2.
2y, sir.
Very good.
2y.
2y
Plus-
The
square,
remainder is minus 2.
it will be 2y.
Remainder is minus 2.
Oh, wait, let us check. 2y into 1. It is 2y square.
Y square.
2y into
6y.
Minus 6y.
Minus 6y. 6y.
Change the sign. This is minus, this is plus. 2y square minus
Square
2y
minus
Y.
Y.
Cancel.
Y.
Y.
Whenever I ask you the question, in that time only you can respond. Or else it will be disturbance for others. Now it is minus 5y plus 6y. How much it will be?
Y.
Y, sir.
It will be y.
Now.
Then find out minus 5.
Plus 1.
Very good. First term of the dividend. then
1.
First term of the divisor.
Remainder is -2, sir.
It will be
That's what.
1.
Sir, remainder is -2.
Remainder
Wait,
is
wait.
-2, sir.
Now multiply 1 with both the terms. 1 into y, this is
Y.
1 into minus 3, this is minus 3. Change the sign. This is minus and this plus.
Minus 2.
Y
Minus
y
2.
it can be. Next.
Minus
Minus 5 plus 3
-2.
minus 2. Have you got same?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Amrita,
Yes,
Amrita NS. Have you got the same answer? Okay. Now, below that, you write quotient and remainder. Here I don't have space, so I am writing here. Therefore, quotient Q of X.
verification.
Sorry, Q of Y. Q of Y is equal to 3y cube plus y square plus 2y plus 1. And remainder, it is R of y. This is equal to, remainder is minus 2. This is the conclusion. Now let's go for verification. Right. Verification. RHS, that is equal to, right now, it is G of y into Q of y plus R of y. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now go for substituting. G of y, they only have given, it is y minus 2. Next, Q of y, quotient, we have found out that this is 3y cube plus y square plus 2y plus 1 plus R of y, remainder is minus 2. Now, you may multiply y with
3y power
3 to the y.
3y power 4.
3y to the power 4.
3y to the power 4 plus 3 cube y cube.
Don't tell. All right, you just go for cross checking. Y into 3y cube is 3y raised to the power 4. Sanjana SL, you have to write with me. You'll be lacking always. Next, y into y square, it is y cube. Next, y into 2y, this is 2y square. Y into 1, it is 1. Next, multiply minus 3 with all the 4 terms. Minus 3 with 4 terms. Minus 3 into 3y cube is minus 9y cube. Minus 3 into y square, it is minus 3y square. Minus 3 into 2y, this is minus 6y. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Next, minus 2 as it is. Now, you check that whether you got same.
Sir, explain answer.
Yes, sir.
Last step.
One side.
Yes, sir.
Multiply y with all the 4 terms. Y into 3y cube is 3y raised to the power 4. Y into y square is y cube. Y into 2y is 2y square. Y into 1 is 1y. Next, minus 3 into 3y cube. Here you have to multiply to the number only. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. Then y cube as it is. Next, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, y square as it is. Next, minus 3 into 2, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, y as it is. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. Next, minus 2. Now you may go for simplifying by taking like terms. Here 3y raised to the power 4, only one term, I am writing it as it is. Next, we have y cube terms. Here 1y cube, here minus 9y cube. It will be
minus 8y cube.
Minus.
Next, 2y square. Here minus 3y
Minus y square.
Minus y square.
Y square.
minus 1 y square.
Minus 5y.
Minus 5.
Minus 5y.
Minus 5.
Minus 5y.
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Minus is equal to P of x. I'm
Sir,
comparing
how
it to
8y cube came, sir?
P of y, sir.
ah,
Sir, how 8y cube came, sir?
tell loudly.
Sir, how 8y cube came, sir? Second one, 8y cube minus 8y cube.
See that here is minus 9y cube and plus 1y cube. Subtract one. Sign are different, so that on subtracting you will get 8y cube. Greater number as minus sign, so we will write minus 8y. So both LHS and RHS are equal. You can write the conclusion. Hence, the division is verified.
Right.
Hence, the division is verified. Ora. Finish up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Listen. Now I am going to take another one. See, in the first 5 problems, when you observe the divisor, in all the divisor we have one variable with the coefficient 1 only, right? Like x minus 2, x plus 3, this is y minus 3, e repeated. Now let me go for taking one example where the coefficient of the variable will be some number. I'm going to take one such statement. Right, sixth one. Sixth one. Sixth one, right. Divide. Sixth one. Right. Divide. This is also from a star. Put double star mark and write. Right. P of x is equal to 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 by 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 by G of x, it is equal to 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. See, observe the divisor. It is 3x minus 2. What is the coefficient of x?
3.
3.
3.
Now, let us go for divide. Please write with me. They have given both the polynomials in
Standard form.
Let's go for writing directly. Right. This
Sir,
divisor
this
is
problem is
3x
in the
minus
textbook.
2. And
Sir, you have given this in worksheet.
Yes, sir. In the textbook is there is.
Yes, sir, it is.
observe and write 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5. Here no term is missing. I have written all of them as it is.
3x square in quotient, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
3x
Very
square.
good. Very good. We want term in the quotient, so that I'll go for using the working column. The working column we can write 9x cube by 3x. X cube can be written as x square into x. Okay.
6
Here,
get
3
cancelled.
ones are, 3 3s are. X and x get cancelled. It will be 3x square. I am writing here 3x square. Multiply 3x square with both the terms. 3 3s are 9.
9x cube.
Into x. X cube.
The remainder is minus 3.
Very good. Now minus multiply 3x square with 2.
6x square.
Into x square. Please ask me if you have any doubt. If not, just continue to write with me. Sanvi, any doubt? Chandana, any doubt? Very good. No doubt. Gaurav? Yes, very good. Change the sign. This is minus, here is plus. The first term get cancelled. Now second term, minus 3x square plus 6x square. How much it will be?
3x square.
3x square.
3x square.
Minus 3x.
3x square. Carry down x and minus 1. Next, I'll take first term of the dividend, 3x square.
Sir,
First term of the
X is a
divisor.
quotient, sir.
X square.
Very good. X square can be written as x into x. Wait. X and x, 3 and 3 get cancelled. X stay with. So let me write x here.
Sir, quotient is x square, 3x square plus x plus 1, sir.
Yes, sir. Prithvi, are you understanding? Yes, very good. Now multiply x with both the terms. X into 3x. This is 3x square. X into minus 2. It is
Minus 2x.
Let me go for changing the sign. Here, plus is there, I'll write it as minus. Then minus is there, I'll write it as plus. The first term get cancelled. Fahim, are you understanding? Okay. Now, here it is. 1x should consider this side. Plus 2x. 1x plus 2x?
3x.
3x.
Sir,
Carry on.
remainder is 3, sir, minus 3.
Plus 1, sir.
Plus 1, sir.
3x is in the dividend and there 3x the divisor.
1.
Okay, cancel.
1.
1. Multiply 1 with both the terms. 1 into 3x.
Minus 2.
3x.
Minus
1 into minus 2.
minus
Which is
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 3.
Change the sign.
minus 3.
Minus and this plus.
-3.
Three term get cancelled, it will be -3. -5
3.
+ 2 is minus. Hope you have got the same.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Write the conclusion. Therefore, the quotient is, you may write in either in words or in symbolical. The quotient q of x, this is equal to 3x square plus x plus 1. And remainder, r of x, it is equal to -3.
3.
I get that with the box. Verification has not been asked. Let it be as it is. Now I'll go for taking another exam. Is 7 and put double star mark for this also.
Is this also from Eschan, sir?
This is also from extra. And it was given in the board examination as well. Prithviraj, where are you going? Prithvi, sit in one place.
sir, network is not coming, sir. Sir, network is not coming.
Network is not coming, but you are speaking with me very clearly. I can see you very clearly.
Sir, I came outside in the terrace.
Yes, I know that you are on the terrace only. But sit at one place. It is good only. Right. Next one. Divide. Divide. It is P of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 4 by g
Sir,
of x.
given in the worksheet.
Very good. How clever you are. Very good boy. 1 minus 3x. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. But yesterday I observed your worksheets, those who had submitted, they had left this one. There are some students, they had tried whatever they had got, they had written that much only. But few students had done it correctly. They had got the right answer. Yes, Sarthak. Okay, now let's go for dividing this. Have you copied? Shreya?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chetan? Okay. Amog? Lakshmi Shri? Dhruti? Dhruti? Okay. Amog BM? Anvekar? Ravi Shankar? Okay. Kanasaplar? Sinchana? Tanesh? Madan HP? And Rachit? Are you in the form? Very good. Very good boy. Okay. Now let's go for dividing. It's very interesting and also important as well. You know the reason. The reason is, in the divisor we have 1 minus 3x as the first term. In the dividend, x cube as the first term. They are not multiple of each other. But observe previous one. I have left it as it is. I have not rubbed it. You'll observe one. First term is 3x. Your first term is 9x cube. So 3 and 9 are the multiples of 3. So it would have been easier to get the remainder as -3. Now, you come to know.
Sir, we should write
How to divide
minus 3x plus 1.
Right, it is, the divisor is 1 minus 3x, and it should be written in standard form
minus
as
3 plus 1.
Minus
3x
3x
plus
plus
1. As per my observation, yesterday, few students had taken this as 3x minus 1. That's not correct. Minus sign is applicable to 3x only. Hence, we should write it as minus 3x, then remaining term plus 1. Next, let us write the dividend. Write with me. It is x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 4. Here, no term is missing. Therefore, we have written the given statement as it is. Here, Lakshmi Shri, could you tell what should be multiplied with the divisor to equalize the first term?
X square.
Minus 3x square.
Minus
Minus 3x.
Minus x square by 3.
Wait.
Minus x square by 3.
Minus x square.
1 minute.
Minus x square by 3.
1 minute. Prashast, I think you are telling.
Minus 3x square.
Minus
Minus 3x square.
Minus x square by 3.
minus x square by 3 agutte. Just observe here. I'll show you how. First, Lakshmi Shri Baribadama. Note it. Here, first term is x cube. And first term of the divisor is minus 3x. Here, x cube is written as x square into x. Secondary cancel model. X and x get cancelled. Remaining x square by minus 3. So that should be written minus x square by 3. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shreya. Oh, good. Okay. Gaurav?
Explain again, sir.
Yes. Abhinandan? Harsh? Understood or not? Understood. Okay. Akshay?
Sir, explain again.
Your worksheet. Did you solve all the problems? No. Only, yeah. Should not leave any problems. Here, let us multiply minus x square by 3 with all the terms.
Sir, explain again, sir.
For this problem, listen carefully whatever I am going to teach, and whenever I write here, you should also write. During explanation, please stop your activities and observe the board. Here, multiply minus x square by 3 with the first term. Obviously, you will get x cube only, but I'll tell you how it is. Minus x square by 3 into minus 3x. 3 get cancelled. Minus into minus plus. X square into x. X cube. Right? X. Please write with me. Next. Second term. Abhinandan. Minus x square by 3. It should be multiplied with 1. Here. On multiplying, it will be minus x square by 3 only. If doubt, please ask me. Then change the sign. I'm going to change the sign. Here plus is there, write it as minus. Here minus is there, write it as plus. The first term get cancelled. Then second term, it should be simplified. Minus 6x square is there. Don't write. Look at the one. minus 6x square, then this side should be considered, the blue color side, plus x square by 3. X square by 3. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ. Take the LCM. LCM of the denominator is 3. Multiply LCM with the first term.
Minus
18x square.
Minus 18 square.
18x square. Multiply LCM with the second term. 3 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You get
X square
Zero.
plus X.
minus
Minus
18
17x
plus
square.
1x square.
minus 17x
Minus 17x square.
It is minus 17x square by 3. That should be written here. Minus 17x square by 3. I'm rubbing this one. Right. Carry down 2x. Then minus 4 as well. Next, again, we have to choose a term in the quotient part. That is why, working column is not there. First term of the dividend, it is minus 17x square by 3. All divided by the first term of the divisor. This is
Minus 3x.
minus 3x. What is? Now, here it is like a fraction by fraction. While dividing a fraction by fraction, you can take the reciprocal of the
Reciprocal.
17x by 9.
It is minus 3x in here. I'll write it as 1 by
Sir,
minus 3.
Answer minus 107 by 27.
No. I'm sorry. Here, 17x square into 1. 17x square as it is. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 3s are 9. 9x. X and x get cancelled. It will be 17x by 9. Did you understand?
Sir, x should be an upside.
One side. Okay. We want the term here. That is why we will take the first term minus 17x square by 3. It should be divided by the first term minus 3x. Now this is equal to minus 17x square by 3 as it is. I take the reciprocal of the denominator. Denominator is minus 3x. Its reciprocal is 1 by minus 3x. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Now, minus minus get cancelled. You'll get, and x and x get cancelled. Remaining 17x by 3 3s are 9. So this 17x by 9 should be written here. 17x by 9. Next, the 17x by 9 should be multiplied with both the terms. Here, all right? Just observe. 17x by 9. It should be multiplied with first term. First term is minus 3x.
3 1s are 3.
Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
if I
sir.
cancel it,
3 1s are 3 3s are.
These are
3.
17x square by 3.
17x square. Sorry, minus 17x
Minus
square
17x square by 3.
Minus 17x square by 3. Obviously, first term will be same. Next, multiply 17x by 9 with 1. You will get 17x by 9. Shall I continue this?
Sir, sin
If you
exchange.
do not, yeah. If you do not have the doubt, I go for continuing this.
Sir,
Sir,
Now,
no, sir, again, sir.
changing the-
No doubt,
here is
sir.
minus. I'll write plus. Here is plus. Let me write minus. Next, the first term. Both are same, but opposite in sign get cancelled. second term. Look here, it is 2x, it should be simplified. 2x minus 17x by 9. Minus 17x by 9. Please don't write, observe the book.
LCM, sir, we should
18.
take
LCM is
18.
9.
9.
Sir, X by
Multiply
9.
LCM with first term,
18x
18x. With the second term,
17.
minus 17x
17x.
1x by
X
9.
1x
By
X
9.
by
X
9.
by
X by 9.
X
by 9.
X by 9. X by 9.
X by 9. Then carried on 4, that is minus 4. Bora, Prithvi, have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now, I want the next term in the quotient. Hence, let us divide the first term of the dividend, x by 9, whole divided by the first term of the divisor. This is minus 3x.
Minus 3x. Sir, we should take a reciprocal.
Sir,
X by 9.
cancel.
Take the reciprocal of the denominator. It will
By
be minus
1 by minus 3.
1 by minus 27.
1 by minus 27.
1 by minus 27.
27.
minus 1 by 27.
It is minus 1 by 27. Bora, when you multiply this minus 1 by 27 with the first term, you will get x by 9. Multiply minus 1 by 27 with the second term. It is 1 sum. It is minus 1 by 27 only. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Change the sign. This is minus. This is plus. Cancel the first term. Remaining is, it is minus 4 plus 1 by 27. Take LCM. LCM is 27. 27 fours are 27 twos are
108.
54 twos are 108.
108.
Minus 108.
Plus 1.
Next, multiply LCM with the second
Plus
term. 27 with cancel.
9. Minus 109.
Minus 107
minus
by
107.
27.
Not minus 107. 7 by.
Yes. Minus 107 by 27. This is your remainder. Over. Now you may write the conclusion. Therefore, write the quotient. Quotient is, that is q of x. It is equal to minus x square by 3 plus 17x by 9 minus 1 by 27. Next, remainder. It is R of x is minus 107 by 27. Highlight this with a box. Bora.
Yes, sir.
Total 7 problems are over. In all the 7 problems, we have found the quotient as well as remainder. Just to focus only on the remainders. No need to go
They
through
are
all
not
those.
zeros, sir. Remainder are not zeros.
Even it may be 0 also. 0 no
Can be
kuda
0, sir.
Huh? Even can be 0 also. Look here.
They are constants.
After we have copied this,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
just observe here.
Yes, sir.
Don't go for writing anything, just observe the book. Here I'll go for taking x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the polynomial. Let us divide this by x minus 2. X minus 2 is the divide by. Here,
Quotient x.
x into x
X square.
minus 2x
2x.
minus this is plus get cancelled. It is
Minus 3. Plus
7,
3x.
7x.
Minus 8x.
minus
7.
plus 6. Then what should be multiplied?
6x.
7.
Plus 7. Plus 7.
7.
7 into x
7x.
7x.
Minus 14.
Minus
Minus
14.
14.
Minus 14.
minus
Sign change.
Minus 20.
20. Cancel.
it will be
20.
20. Yes, sir.
20. Let me take another one. Just observe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Observe it. Same number only. Sorry, same polynomial. X square plus 5x plus 6. One student have told remainder is not equal to 0. I am going to take one example where remainder will be 0.
0.
Hold on. It is x plus 2 thought. X plus 2.
So
Now,
we should
what
write
should be multiplied?
X.
X
X
into x.
X square.
Into 2x.
Cancel. 3x.
Cancel, sir. X square.
Observe. Cancel 5x minus 2x, 3x.
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 3.
Plus 3. Plus 3.
3, sir.
3.
3.
3, sir.
Enough. Enough. Now multiply. 3 into x, 3x.
3x.
6.
6.
Minus.
Get cancel. Minus.
Remainder is 0. Now, observe. The first in this problem, in this division, remainder is minus 1. The second one, remainder is
20.
20.
here remainder is
0.
0.
Sir.
observe. Dear students, my one question, simple question is it necessary to go for actual division to get the remainders? Remainders.
No, sir. Quotient. For quotient.
Quotient.
Quotient, sir.
Listen to me. If you,
Sir,
if
disturbance.
unwanted sound is coming,
Disturbance.
mute that. Don't unmute. If unwanted sound is coming, please mute your audio. Now observe it. I have been asking you the question that is it necessary to go for actual division of polynomials to get the remainder? Remainder ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ division ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾ? Obviously, we say that yes sir, right?
Yes, sir.
Divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. But without division also, it is possible
By column
to find
method.
the remainder. Let me tell you how this is. You know, I am taking this one. Here, the given polynomial is x square plus 5x plus 6. Observe the divisor. Divisor is
X plus 2.
I go for finding the 0 of x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0 and x
Minus
equal
2.
to minus 2. Are you all following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have found out the 0 of the divisor. Chandana, you are playing with a notebook. Let your concentration be here. Okay. Here x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the 0 of this polynomial divisor. If you minus 2 I'll go for substituting this in x.
X.
Here minus 2. It's equal to minus 2 whole square. 5 into minus 2
minus 2
plus 6.
plus 6.
Minus 2 whole square.
0.
It is
4.
4.
4.
minus 2
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10
Minus 10.
minus 6.
0.
Plus 6. 10. 0.
0.
0, sir.
0.
0.
0.
I ask you to stop. You should not open your mouth. ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ only others can see your face, not board. So that is why. Whenever I ask you the question, in that time only, it's enough. Here 4 plus 6 is 10 and minus 10. This is 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay. Remainder is 0. Here remainder is, sorry, the value is 0. Similarly, let us go for checking this. Here divisor is x minus 2. X minus 2 and its
2.
0 is x equal to 2. I'll take p of x. P of x is x square plus 5x plus 6. Let me substitute 2 in place of x. P of 2 is equal to 2
X square.
whole square 5 into 2 plus 6.
6.
Here 2 square is 4.
4.
5 2
10.
are 10
10
plus
plus
6.
6.
I'm
20.
adding 4 plus 10, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. Without division, we have found out the remainder. Here is 20, here is 20. Here is 0, here is 0. Even let's go for checking this also.
But sir,
Wait.
sir, but we can't get the questions, sir.
Once you ask,
Sir, in that division method, we can't get the quotient.
quotient. No. Only remainder, not quotient. Here, observe this. I'll keep that remainder as it is. Minus 3 and there. This is divisor is 3x minus 2. Let us find out its 0.
My
It is
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
2 by 3. 2 by minus 3.
wait. Okay.
2 by
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
X is equal to 2 by 3.
2 by 3, sir.
Now, I take P of x. P of x is equal to 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5. Let me substitute 2 by 3 in place of x. P of 2 by 3 is equal to 9 into 2
2
by
by
3
3 whole cube.
Don't tell. Minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. This is equal to 9 into, here cube should be applied to
8 by 3.
8 by 27.
8 by 27.
27.
3 cube
27.
27
9.
minus 3 into apply square to
4 by 9.
square is 4.
4 by 9.
3 square is
6.
9.
plus 2 by 3 minus 5 as it is. It's equal. Here I cancel. 1s are 3s are. This is 8 by 3. 1s are
1s are 3s are.
3s are. Minus
Minus
4
4
by 3
4 by 3.
plus 2 by 3 minus 5. Let me take the
We can
LCM.
take LCM.
minus
3.
5.
LCM is 3.
8 minus 4
8 minus 4
minus 4
plus 2
plus 2.
minus 5.
sir, no sir.
Is not
Minus 5 will
why
not-
become 15.
Minus 5 not.
C is not multiplied by 3. Minus
Minus 15, sir.
Minus 15.
Minus 15, sir.
Sir,
You have
last
written
minus
minus
15.
5.
you not multiplied 5, sir.
1 minute. On multiplying LCM with the last term, it will be 15. Minus 15. Now 8 plus 2.
10.
10.
10.
8 plus 2. 10.
10.
10.
Minus 4 minus 15.
Minus 19.
19.
Minus 9.
Divided by
3.
3.
Yes,
10
sir.
Minus
minus
9.
19 is minus 9.
3 1 the 3.
Minus 3.
It is minus.
Minus 3 is
Have you
done.
got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. See, this is one of the method that we follow to find out the remainder without actual division. And this method is to be taken as a theorem.
Remainder
and we
theorem.
Remainder theorem.
Remainder theorem.
Yes, it is
Remainder theorem.
not reminder, remainder.
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 Remainder theorem.
Remainder theorem.
Remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is used to find out the remainder without actual division. Once I repeat, remainder theorem is used to find out the remainder without
Actual
division. Just we follow finding the value of the polynomial. Our method the use for we will find out the remainder. And for this theorem, we have a statement. Now let me go for giving you that statement. Just observe, don't write anything. Just look here.
Sir, this theorem also can be verified, our remainder.
Yes, yes, you can verify also. Okay, observe here. It is remainder theorem. Remainder theorem.
We should write, sir.
A division of polynomial. If
Sir, we
we may
should write,
follow
sir.
division of polynomial to find out the remainder, or just we may follow remainder theorem for finding the remainder. Both dividend and divisor should be there. That is, we need P of x as well as G of x. P of x and G of x are any two polynomials of degree greater than
Or equal to 1.
equal to
1.
1. Next, and G of x should not be equal to 0. This is first condition. Next, here look at x minus 2, here x plus 2. And in the previous one, I think x minus, sorry, 3x minus 2. That was taken one.
Minus 3x plus.
3x minus
Could you
2.
tell
Plus.
what type of polynomials are these?
Binomial.
Binomial.
Linear polynomial.
Linear.
Polynomial.
There are linear polynomials. See the x minus 2, its degree is 1, linear. X plus 2, degree is 1, linear. 3x minus 2, its degree is 1, linear. So, if P of x is divided by a linear polynomial, I take this linear polynomial as x minus a. A may be any constant. Look at, here is 2, here is 2, here is, and 2 and 3 are there.
Minus 2.
Got it? Followed? If P of x is divided by x minus a, the linear polynomial x minus a, then we get a remainder. That remainder is P of a. Are you following why it is P of a? You know,
Yes, sir.
observe, remainder is 0. P of minus 2, but polynomial is x plus 2. Here, P of 2 is 20. 20 is the remainder, P of 2. And the divisor is x minus 2. If minus 2 is there, P of plus 2 is plus 2, now find out what it is. Then, here, x plus 2 is there, we have found out P of minus 2. The previous one, 3x minus 2 is there. So, we have found out P of plus 2 by 3. Here, P of x minus divisor, x minus a is there, minus a is there. Hence, we should find out P of plus a. So, this is the remainder. Got it? So, using these parts, let us go for stating the remainder theorem. Statement of remainder theorem is very important. Definitely will be asked in the test, your school test, even in the examination also. But I am not confirming about the examination because you will also come across some other statement. But test also remainder theorem in school test. Observe and listen to me carefully. I am going to make a statement of remainder theorem. Remainder theorem states that, Anish, where are you? You should listen. It is remainder theorem states that let P of x and G of x are any two polynomials of degree greater than or equal to 1 and G of x is not equal to 0. Let x minus a be a linear polynomial. If P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. Is it not simple to state?
Yes, sir.
Just using these hints, you can make the statement. Once I repeat, afterwards I may ask to anybody, particularly Nane Munchane Anvekar, Lakshmi Shri, Sanjita, Mohita, Arushi, Namit, Jaknur, Rachit, Manya J. Jai, Prashast, Manya A. First, I'm giving chance to these students. Everybody should listen, and I am going to ask the statement among these students only. Remainder theorem states that let P of x and G of x be any two polynomials of degree greater than or equal to 1 and G of x is not equal to 0. Let us assume that x minus a is a linear polynomial. If P of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is P of x. Statement is very simple. Now I'm going to give chance to Manya A. Tell the statement of remainder theorem.
Remainder theorem states that the two polynomials P of x and G of x are of degree of P of x and G of x is greater than or equal to 1, where G of x is not equal to 0. Let x minus a be a polynomial, linear polynomial of if P of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder will be equal to P of a.
Very good, very good. Absolutely, it is right. Prashas, will you try? Yeah, huh? No. Okay. Then Jaknur?
Yes, sir.
Tell the statement.
Sir, let P of x and G of x are two polynomials of degree greater than or equal to 1 and G of x is not equal to 0 and x minus b a linear polynomial. If P of x divided by x minus a, then the remainder will be P of a.
Very good, very good. Good statement. Then Rachit. Rachit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, try. Tell the statement.
Let P of x and G of x be
Wait. Ranjan or Pisale. Sit properly. See, don't go for using that wheelchair. A wheelchair is a problem. From tomorrow onwards, without fail, you have to use ordinary chair. Simply you are playing. Rachit, continue.
Let P of x and G of x be any two polynomials whose degree is equal or greater than 1, where G of x is not equal to 0. let x minus a be a x minus a be a polynomial if p of x is divided by x minus a, remainder will be p of a.
Very good. It is right. Absolutely right.
Thank you, sir.
Will you write the statement yourself?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Once I tell,
sir.
once I tell that, listen carefully. Don't write. Dheeraj SK, ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು. I want your own writing. That is why. Just listen carefully. Remainder theorem states that let p of x and g of x be any two polynomials of degree greater than or equal to 1, and g of x is not equal to 0. Let x minus a be a linear polynomial if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Got it? And do remember one more point. When you are finding the remainder, when you are finding the remainder, see that you don't need to go for actual division by using remainder theorem. Just I'll give you the hint how to find out. First, you will take the divisor. That divisor's 0 should be found out. Then after that, you have to take the dividend. And in that dividend, you have to substitute that 0. That is, here x equal to 2, we have substituted 2. Then you'll get the value. So according to remainder theorem, we write remainder is p of 2, where p of 2 is nothing but 20. In this case, remainder is 20. These are the 3 steps to be followed. Now, nimage problem ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, but I want your understanding and your own writing. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. That is why I've been giving you the information. In today's worksheet also, the questions will be there. Where problems on remainder theorem also. Once I repeat, you are dividing this polynomial by this. You are going to find out the remainder. Manya, Manya J Jai. Here, you are going to find out the remainder. The very first step is you have to find out the 0 of the divisor. Got it? Second step, you will find out the value of the polynomial dividend. Value of the dividend by taking the 0. Got it? Then third step, by using the remainder theorem, you will write the statement. Remainder is that particular value. Here p of 2, here p of 2. And that value is 20. Hence, remainder will be 20. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Repeatedly, I have been telling, today problems will be given on remainder theorem also. And never
tomorrow test.
I want your writing. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. I should analyze your writing. That is why I have been
For
giving.
tomorrow test also you will give, sir.
Definitely. For tomorrow's test, the questions will be given on polynomial, and even I think we have to cover the last part of the motion chapter, no? Alva, uniform circular motion. In the last week, whether I have given that?
Over, sir.
Sir, full over.
Sir, you have given.
Okay. Then let's go for only polynomials. For tomorrow's weekly test, you have the syllabus, that is polynomial chapter up to
Remainder
theorem, including the problems on that. Including the problems on remainder theorem. Okay? And test timing,
Yes, sir.
I'll give you that information within 12 o'clock.
Sir, send recorded.
Sir, send the recorded class.
To copy this up.
No, sir. No,
know
sir.
that you are-
Recorded classes not there, sir.
I am one kind of clever and you are also more clever than me. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ us stop the class. Thank you very much. Have a
Thank you,
wonderful
sir.
day.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.